Something kicks out.
Oh, my brake's not working. My brake's stuck. Because I can feel them, like, you see how they're working now?
Yeah.
They weren't working earlier.
Yeah, they kind of just mushed to the floor. There we go. Nice recovery.
56.7.
The brakes wouldn't have faded there. You'd have been good.
My brakes!